don't hurt the kitty. See, that's what Ashley does. She's the first to cry, but then she goes back and asks for more. There's Ashley. She's like, you made me cry. And I'm going to do the first swat. Wait, you ran away from me. I want to swat you. I want to fight. Where are you going? Oh, he's over here, silly. Peekaboo. I saw a peekaboo happen there. There it comes. They love jumping up on this couch. It's a good exercise. Hey, Berkeley, you pulled him down. You pulled Ashley down, you silly. Ashley just went right back up there. Ashley, you tell him. Get your little paws to yourself. I'm the queen of the hill. You're not coming up here now. Berkeley, she got the best of you. Now she's still coming after you. Look at her. She's still asking for it. Ashley. You silly girl, Ashley. What's under there, Ashley? There she is. Oh. Mom's still relaxing. How's it feel to have 4 happy wild children? Look at these 2 over here. Berkeley, you're silly. Sugarfoot's on top of you. Did you know that? Uh-oh. Sugarfoot pinned you. Oh boy, that was a good one. You 2 fight good. Oh boy. That's... Nobody even cries between you 2. He's not a sissy. Look at that. Sugarfoot. Sugarfoot. You're gonna go get him. Here they come. Out the other side. Rolling around. Oh my goodness. Hey, Mom. Is there anything you can do to help your kids relax? Hi, Mama. Oh, you're beautiful. Yes, you are.